So moving along to our semi-restoration here. I definitely like things modified, but I also like to keep things looking stock. So what we're going to do is put the factory markings. We have a pink X here, and we have just a little, like a yellow, I don't know, I'm going to call it a ribbon or a slash across there. So trying to find multiple colors. We just found this acrylic set online, and they are a paint pen. I've never done this before, so essentially you just shake it up a couple times. Hopefully this will work. Let's test it in our engine steam first. So for our pink X is roughly in here, so we're just going to go, we need to add some more. So we're just going to go here, probably press it just a little bit. Just don't want it to bleed all over the place. Pink is peeking out all over the place. So let's try that again here. So gonna do like an X. Try to hope it's not gonna bleed. And since this is acrylic, I wanted to do a clear coat, or another clear coat on the block. And like Bob Ross, we'll make it look happy. Happy engine. Okay, that's probably good enough. Let's move on to our yellow. And that yellow is roughly right in here. Something like that. I'm sure a Mopar Jeep guy could probably tell me what the markings were. I'm assuming it was quality control, checked off, it's good to go essentially. Don't like the way that X is turning out. Let's see if we can bump this up a little bit without making a mess. The bad thing about having OCD, nothing is ever perfect. You always find your little mistakes. I'm gonna have to live with it. So we'll let that dry. Go ahead and clear it. We also had up here on the top some numbers in white. So this is masked off right now, so we'll tear this off and go ahead and apply the white here just a little bit. One other thing we had was a blue on the oil pan, which I've never seen before. So we'll do the blue on the oil pan. Okay, so we're getting to the point where we're going to be wrapping this up, putting the head on. As you can see, the masking that I had done on all the where different accessories bolt on, you know, doing the hammer trick like I showed in a previous video. Turned out phenomenal. We did the factory markings back on the block. We have the pink X there. We have the yellow slash, another yellow little slash in the back. We have the DBC, that was factory. That's actually how it was written. That's not my horrible handwriting. And then we have the E over here on the other side of the block. Moving around, we have the timing chain set we still need to do today. We have the cast plugs we still need to do today. Did make one little mistake right there. That's okay. But again, for the most part, the block turned out phenomenal. Looks somewhat brand new. But pretty happy with it. Can't complain. So we'll go ahead and move on to our timing chain set next. Get that done. We have a couple more things of prep to do on the side of the block. And we'll go ahead and hopefully get this thing put in this weekend. Stay tuned.